Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone or public. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And first up, when we go ahead and add in our story, for example, this one right here. Okay. Let's say it's only posted for your close friends. Okay. Now, when you go ahead and tap on the story itself and go to more options right here, go ahead and go to story settings, tap on it. You can go ahead and tap on close friends right here that says 0 people or 1, 2, 3, how many people. Just tap on it and then manually add them. Okay. And once that's done, just hit on the done button. Go back, refresh, check your story once more. Tap on 3 dots, go to story settings, and you should be good to go. All right. As you can see here, we don't have the option to change the privacy from close friend to public because it's just how Instagram works. Okay. Now, another way to do it is by deleting the story itself. Or if you want to, you could go ahead and download the photo. Okay. Now add in a new story. Right here. Re-upload the photo. Now tap on close friends. And make sure to tap on the star icon right here at the top. And just edit your close friends list. Okay. Add in some more. Another option, delete, add in a new story. Go to the bottom right, tap on the arrow key, tap on close friends, tap on the drop down, and then add in some more. All right. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.